I'm going to try and show you the volcano. How amazing is that, eh? So I'm at Mayon volcano in Legaspi, and it's really cool up here. I don't mean it's like, well, it is cool, but it's cool as well. There's a nice breeze. It's beautiful. I think this is about as far as we can get up the volcano. You'll see a little bit of video of the volcano. You can't see because we're that far away, but there's actually smoke coming out the top of the volcano, and I think it erupted last it erupted was 2015. So anyway, have a look at this view. It's amazing. So if you're ever in Legaspi, I recommend you come and have a look at the volcano. It's beautiful, really is beautiful. And the scenery, you can't get better, can you? I mean, it's fantastic, really fantastic. I love it. Look at the volcano. I don't think you can see, but there's actually smoke coming out the top of it. Fantastic. So that's the end of my visit to Legaspi, the volcano and the falls. I'm going home now. It's going to take about 3 hours. I just want to thank all my subscribers for all your support. Visit Legaspi, come and visit the volcano when you get here. Visit the waterfall as well. So that's it. Bye for now. Welcome to Dayagan. It's Falls and Resort. Now it's about 45 minutes away from Legaspi. So you like basketball? I'm a pro. Please subscribe.